Hey guys, it's Tony Bony, and today I'll be showing you how to solve the pyramid. So what you need to learn for this one is notation. So notation is just like how the cubes, the faces move around, stuff. So this is the R prime, because like right side going up like this path, like this one, like clockwise, and then R prime, which is anti-clockwise, like that. And then if it's like a small letter, we do it for the tips as well. So R prime little. And then this is L for the left side, and then L prime. Same with the tip, L prime. U, the top layer, like the up layer. U, because it's going clockwise, and U prime. Same for the tips. And also the B side, which is the back, like this side. So you might want to turn around, but this is B and B prime, because it's like clockwise, anti-clockwise, and also for the tips. Let's get started. So obviously, let's scramble it. So once you have it scrambled up, so we want to see what the pieces are. So these are called tips, just these little ones. These are edges, because this one, it has like two, and then the centers, this one, which just has one color on it. So I would start with yellow, because I usually do that. So we want to find like a tip which has no yellow. So this one, this is only blue, red, and green, so no yellow. And we want to put that at the bottom. And then the one which is like the top face is now your yellow face, because that has no like yellow, so this is definitely yellow. So we want to get all the centers up to this face. So we see this one's already up here, so we can just keep moving it, like, because that's the right side. We can do L, doesn't go up, so we can do it again. See, there. Then U doesn't go up, we can do it again. There. So once we have all the corners up, this is basically the easiest one. We just turn the tips. So this one yellow, turn up, yeah. So after this step, we want to have like the whole yellow side and these all the same. Just like in my 2x2 tutorial, you should check it out there if you don't know. And like this one, the whole yellow, and also like this bar on each side, but we don't have that yet. So yeah, let's get started. So we can look for yellow edge pieces like this one, but we want to find any on the top floor. So none. So they're definitely in this bottom row. So you normally won't have this, but sometimes you will. If it's on the bottom, this is like the first algorithm. You can do R, U, so move it out and then bring this back down. Or I would do like L prime, so it's up there, but if we go down, so we can move over with U and then L to make it back down. I would do that, but you can do either of them. So then we want to look at the other side to this yellow edge. So that is red. We want to make it to the red centers. And you might be wondering, how do you know what side is red? So as I told you, these like centers, the bottom two centers which are attached to the yellow, if they're both like the both of them are one color, and that color is that side. So we can move over, so that's not red because these are green. Now these are, so this is the red side. And if that so we don't want to have that yellow edge facing, so we can have the like red here. If that like yellow edge is over here on the left, we want to do this algorithm. R, U, up prime, so that we just bring this one up and then put this over here like that, and then move it back down there, and then that creates that, just like that. And then we can search the top layer again, none again, what? It's here. And then we know we can just do that algorithm or something. So L prime U L. Okay, now it's here. And then the other side of this yellow is green. So we have to move it to the greens, which are red, here, greens. And then we see it's on this side again. So we just do R U prime R prime, and then it's in there. So you might have this because I didn't have it, so I'll just show you. So we have this yellow edge with the blue here, and it's on the right side now. So we just have to do like kind of the opposite one. It's just, you can remember the algorithm or you can remember like the moves we're doing. So I'll show you. It's L prime U L, or we can just remember it as this one needs to get that one in there. So we move this up here, and then we can move this over here to get it in, and then move it back down. So after this step, you want to have like all this, and yeah, you're done the step. After this step, you just have this layer left. So we see this center is blue, so we want to move it to the blues. This is red. Now this is blue. So now all the centers are with its pair. And we can easily just turn the tip like that to make it all the same. So we have 1 in 3 cases. So we have this first case here. So we want to look how many wrong pieces there are. Like this one. This does not go to this, and this does not go to that. Like that's 1 wrong piece. Okay, this one is kind of correct because, so that's not, this one is not wrong because it also connects to green. And this one's not wrong because it connects to blue. So 1 wrong piece. If we had 1 wrong piece, we want to put it to the back side like this. And then do this algorithm. It's it should be up on the screen right there. It's L R prime L prime R, and then so that again, just like down, down, up, up. And then this one is like over, over, back, back. So it's just U, so over, and then R, over still, and then U prime, which is back, and then R prime, which is back. And then we'll have this case, I'll show. So now I'll explain this case. So this case is like I think it as, like, the edges are, all of them are like spooky eyeballs looking at you. So we can just put out anywhere. I forgot to mention that the first stub you started with always at the bottom now. So we can hold it from anywhere now. And then just this. It's not really in an algorithm, so kind of 2 algorithms. I don't actually know how long it's meant to go for. So it's just L prime U L U, and then just keep doing that until it solves itself. So just keep there, and that is you solve it. But wait, I forgot to mention 1 case. It's this case. So you might have another piece at the back, but it doesn't matter. So we look at how many wrong pieces. This one, because it doesn't match either side, and this one, it doesn't match either side. And we already have a solved one, which is good. So we want to have the 2 wrong pieces at the front, and then do this algorithm again. You should know it because I just did it. So it's just like the down, down, up, up again, and then like U over, R over, U prime over, and then down over. And then that's how you solve it. So yeah. Make sure you just turn the tips to make it like way easier. So, bye. So once you have it scrambled, let's pick that up. Delete this clip. What? Delete this clip. Ooh.